Hampi, an ancient city nestled within the Indian state of Karnataka, stands as a testament to the grandeur of the Vijayanagara Empire, which flourished between the 14th and 16th centuries. This UNESCO World Heritage Site captivates visitors with its sprawling ruins, intricate architecture, and rich history, offering a glimpse into a bygone era of prosperity and cultural vibrancy. As you wander through its vast landscape, you'll encounter an astonishing array of monuments, including majestic temples, bustling marketplaces, and impressive aqueducts, each narrating stories of devotion, commerce, and innovation. The heart of Hampi is marked by the Virupaksha Temple, an active religious site that has served as a spiritual hub for centuries. Its towering Gopuram, Gateway Tower, and elaborate carvings exemplify Vijayanagara craftsmanship at its finest. Nearby, the Vittala Temple complex stands out for its iconic stone chariot and musical pillars, which exemplify the advanced engineering and artistic skills of the period. These structures not only served religious purposes but also demonstrated the empire's architectural ingenuity and aesthetic sensibilities. Beyond temples, Hampi's landscape is punctuated by giant boulders and rocky outcrops, creating a surreal environment that has inspired myths and legends. The landscape's natural formations blend seamlessly with human-made constructions, illustrating a harmonious integration of nature and architecture. The Queen's Bath, a large, ornate bathing complex, reveals insights into the daily lives of Vijayanagara royalty, while the underground Shiva temples hint at the spiritual practices of the time. Hampi was once a vibrant marketplace and a thriving center of trade, with merchants from across Asia and beyond converging to exchange goods like spices, textiles, and precious stones. Archaeological excavations have uncovered evidence of a sophisticated urban planning system, complete with water management techniques such as aqueducts, reservoirs, and drainage systems, showcasing the empire's technological prowess. The city's decline began in the 16th century after a series of invasions and battles, most notably the defeat by the Deccan Sultanates in 1565, which led to widespread destruction and abandonment. Despite this, the ruins have been remarkably preserved, offering a unique window into medieval Indian civilization. The site's extensive archaeological remains continue to attract researchers, historians, and travelers eager to understand its historical significance. Hampi's cultural legacy persists through local traditions, festivals, and crafts. The annual Hampi Utsav celebrates the city's history with music, dance, and reenactments, drawing visitors from around the world. Additionally, the region is renowned for its vibrant handicrafts, including jewelry, textiles, and stone carvings, which reflect the artistic heritage of the area. Today, Hampi is a symbol of India's rich cultural tapestry, embodying a fusion of history, spirituality, and natural beauty. Its landscape, dotted with ancient ruins and boulder-strewn plains, invites exploration and reflection. Visitors often hike to vantage points like the Hemakuta Hill to enjoy panoramic views of the ruins set against a backdrop of lush greenery and the Tungabhadra River flowing nearby. The river itself played a crucial role in sustaining the city's population and facilitating trade, with its waters nurturing agriculture and providing transportation routes. The riverbanks are dotted with ruins of traditional water mills and reservoirs, illustrating sustainable engineering practices of the Vijayanagara period. The surrounding region also boasts fertile lands that supported agriculture, ensuring the city's economic stability. In recent years, efforts have been made to preserve and restore Hampi's archaeological treasures, balancing tourism with conservation. Policies aim to protect the site's delicate structures from environmental and human-induced damage while promoting sustainable tourism. This ongoing work ensures that future generations can continue to marvel at the city's historical and architectural marvels. Hampi's influence extends beyond its physical remnants. It continues to inspire artists, writers, and scholars worldwide. Its depiction in paintings, photographs, and literature captures the timeless allure of this ancient metropolis. The site's mystique and grandeur evoke a sense of wonder, inviting exploration and admiration from all who visit. The local community around Hampi maintains traditions that echo the city's cultural past. Festivals dedicated to deities like Virupaksha and Krishna are celebrated with fervor, involving music, dance, and elaborate rituals. These events serve as living links to the city's spiritual heritage and foster a sense of identity among residents and visitors alike. Ecologically, the region surrounding Hampi boasts diverse flora and fauna, including various bird species, reptiles, and plant life, thriving amid the ruins and rocky terrain. The harmonious coexistence of natural and historical elements underscores the importance of preserving both cultural and ecological integrity. Hampi also serves as an educational resource, offering insights into ancient Indian architecture, urban planning, and religious practices. Schools, universities, and archaeological institutes frequently organize study tours and research projects here, contributing to the broader understanding of India's medieval history. In contemplating Hampi's legacy, one recognizes its role as a symbol of artistic innovation, spiritual devotion, and resilience. Despite centuries of upheaval, the city's ruins continue to inspire awe and curiosity, reminding us of a civilization that once stood as a beacon of culture and power. Its enduring beauty and historical significance make Hampi a must-visit destination for anyone eager to explore India's majestic past and marvel at human creativity's timeless achievements.